In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Yahoo emails by year. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Yahoo Mail. In the results, click the official Yahoo Mail link to go to the sign-in page, then sign in to your account. Once you're in your inbox, we'll use Yahoo's search to target messages by year, which is the fastest and most precise way to clean up old emails. Click into the search bar at the top of your inbox. To capture all emails from a single year, you'll use the after and before filters with dates in the format year, month, day. For example, to select everything from 2023, type after 2022, 12/31, before 2024 to 01/01. This tells Yahoo to include messages after the last day of 2022 and before the first day of 2024, effectively covering all of 2023. If your goal is to gather everything older than a specific year, use only the before filter. For instance, before 2023-01/01 will surface all emails from 2022 and earlier. Press Enter to run the search. When your results appear, click the checkbox at the very top of the message list, above your emails. If you have a large inbox, look for a blue link that says, "Select all conversations that match this search," and click it. This ensures you're selecting every matching email, not just the first page. With everything selected, click the trash icon to delete. This moves the messages to your trash folder, so you have a short window to restore them if needed. If you prefer using the interface controls, you can achieve the same result with advanced search. Click the small downward arrow inside the search bar to open the advanced panel. Find the date field and choose Custom. Enter the start and end dates for the year you want to clear, such as 01/01/2023 to 12/31/2023. Note that the advanced search date picker uses month, day/year, while the search filters use year, month, day. After setting the range, click Search to view the results. With the matched emails displayed, click the Select All box at the top. If you see the prompt to select all conversations that match this search, click it to include everything, then press Delete to move those messages to trash. Before you finish, take a moment to confirm your date ranges so you only remove the emails you intend to. If something looks off, adjust the dates and search again. That's all it takes to delete Yahoo emails by year quickly and confidently using either direct search filters or the advanced search panel.